Morning, guys. It's 9:20. I've been awake. I have been awake. I woke up at 7:40 to my mom talking to cats outside my room. And once I wake up, I can't go back. So I made myself a coffee. I'm chilling. I was trying to procrastinate getting up for the day, but it's gotta happen sooner or later. I'll take you through my plans for the day. So I have a little to do today, which is I have to make a Quizlet for my Italian because it's been Christmas break. I don't remember anything. So Quizlet for Italian, that's number 1 for vocab. Number 2 is I'm currently in, hold on, I'll show you. I'm currently in my brother's room and I have all my stuff in here because my room's been under construction. It's now fixed and everything's back. So I want to move at least my clothes into that room, and in doing that comes number 3 on the to-do list, which is I want to sell so many clothes. I put loads up on Vinted already. I'll link my Vinted and I just need to get the rest up because I'm only here till Saturday until I get back to uni, so I need to get that up before I go. That is it, and I'm expecting that to take me the whole day because I got a lot on, and tomorrow it's my brother's birthday, so I really want to get everything done today because I've also got a massage booked tomorrow. So if possible, I want everything to be done today and then I can worry about other things tomorrow, which is great. So I'm gonna wash my face. I don't know why I sound so hoarse. I'm not ill. Everyone in my family's ill though, so it's pretend like it's what I've got. I'm getting something. I just wanna wash my face, brush my teeth, and then go back to bed and do the Quizlet because there's no reason to be outside of the bed for that. It's cold in this house, so everything I can do in bed, I will do in bed. That's the moral of this video. I tried some new fake tan placement last night though, so I did some freckles, obviously. I do have freckles as well, so it's not like completely fake. And I did lip liner, which I thought was kind of fun. I also did a bit of like eyeliner almost, like you can kind of see at the edge there. But I think when I sleep as well, they water lots, so you can't really tell at all. I'm trying to get this tap hot. I don't even wash my face with cold water in the morning. That's gross. Gross. I didn't go very dark. Oh damn, the lips have like fully stayed. That's so nice. But yeah, in the morning, all I do is just rub water into my face because I think anything else is too harsh. Like I can't be washing my face twice a day. That's too much for me. I had a lash lift done literally yesterday, so I've had to not wet my eyes at all, which is annoying because I shouldn't have done the eyeliner today realistically because I can't take it off, but I can wash them tonight. I think I can get them wet because it will have been 24 hours. I'm just gonna brush my teeth and I'll be ready for the day. And now we're gonna head back to the bedroom because all of my stuff is in there. I've decided that skincare in the bedroom is my vibe, and makeup and everything. I'm not planning on wearing loads of makeup today because I'm not going anywhere. But everything's there, so see you in there. Skincare routine's fairly simple. I kind of do a different thing every day. Like it's all the same products, but I mix them up every day. So I've got the Paula's Choice exfoliant, which I actually quite like. I got the sample because I wasn't sure if I'd like it, and I'm never sure if I use too many exfoliants or not enough. So I just put like a, I don't know, like a handful I guess of that. I never know. I think you're meant to put it on a cotton pad, but that's wasteful, come on. And then recently I've been loving this Q&A vitamin C brightening serum. I love this. I have never heard it talked about. I don't know, like maybe I'm like, underground skincare. I don't think it is because it's sold at Sephora, but I've never heard of it. I love it. I just feel like it's like the perfect texture for me. Like it's like thin but also like creamy, and it's like a little bit like sticky, but like not in a bad way. Like it's like sticky like a serum is, which I love, and it just gives me like an amazing glow, and also takes away like all of my hyperpigmentation. Oh my god, let's not talk about hyperpigmentation at the moment. God, I'm cursed by that video. It's everywhere. And then usually while I let that dry, I do my brows, which I use the Refi Brow Sculpt in clear. It's white. I don't know why they call it clear. It's not really clear. I've heard mixed reviews about this thing, but I love it. Like it's the only thing that will hold my brows in place. I usually do them more up than this. I don't know why I've done it so flat, but I'm kind of leaning less towards the feathered brow look. I used to be like a straight up curly. That's not my vibe anymore. I'm gonna fix this one because she looking This is not twins, they weren't even cousins. Anyway, I use the By Him moisturiser. Honestly, like, it's cheap. It's like super inoffensive, I think. It's like nothing like revelatory, but equally it doesn't break me out, and like, I don't know, I enjoy it. I feel like it keeps me hydrated. I've just done my skincare and my makeup, and now it's time to make that Quizlet. I really can't be arsed. I really don't want to do it. Hey guys, so I'm about halfway through, which isn't bad. I've only spent, what, like 25 minutes on it, so really not that bad. It's a bit wounding knowing that I'm gonna have to do more as we go along in the next term. We are so done with Italian. Yay, thank God that's out the way. I was really dreading it, and it didn't take me that long. It took me probably an hour, but so boring. But it's done, and now, well, I'm gonna have a break, and then I'm gonna make some food, and then I'll get on to doing the room and selling the clothes, which will be interesting. So I'm in my room. It's really echoey in here, sorry. This is how it's looking. Completely empty, literally just my wardrobe in here and a beanbag. And these are the bags I'm going to sort out now. There's one more about the same size which needs to come in, but I thought start small, figure it out after. But yeah, I'm just going to get to work. I got my Diet Coke, no caffeine. I'm sorted, I'm ready. That's me all done. That one went really quickly. So from and from there this way is all to sell. So I got like 2 big piles there, and then this is my like keep pile, and a lot of that is just sentimental. But like sentimental things I can't throw out, like old school hoodies and like Leavers hoodies from like year 6. It's so cute. I can't get rid of that, so that kind of thing. But I need my phone, so I'm filming on my phone because I'm a noob and I don't have a camera, and I need my phone to take pictures of stuff, so you're not going to see this, but I'll see you afterwards, and then I'm done for the day. Okay, I'm back in the spare room. I've done all of the putting up for sale out of those 2 bags. I'm going to take a break and put it all on Vinted now, and then I'll go back and do the other bag after I've done that, if that makes sense, so that I'm not doing like big chunks of one bit of work because that'll get boring. But I split it up. I'm doing the same amount in intervals. Yay! She only just finished doing Vinted, and it's taken me so long, but stay with me here. I've already sold 2 items. I literally midway through putting them up, I received an offer and I was like, yeah, get on. And then as I accepted that offer, somebody else bought something else. Full price, and I was like, let's go. So very happy with that, and it's taken me forever, so I don't think I'm gonna do any more today. I know I said I would, but it's now like 6 and my mum's gonna be back soon.
12 seconds later.
I've just sold another item. Literally, this is all within like an hour of posting them. This is nuts. Clearly I've got some stuff that people wanted, but anyway, my mum will be back soon, and then I'll just have dinner and go to bed, so it won't be very interesting. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. I hope you enjoyed. It's a bit different for what I'm planning on doing, but I'm just trying to like widen my range for now, and I'll stick focused to knitting and crocheting as well, with a little bit of lifestyle here and there. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more of these in the future, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you.